This is not just a Mustang. This is the Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC, the most extreme, track-focused, street-legal Mustang Ford has ever built. Ford already shocked the world with the Dark Horse, but then they pushed it even further. The result is the Dark Horse SC. The SC stands for Supercharged. This is not a trim level. This is not a simple upgrade. This is a factory-backed performance monster built for serious driving. Under the hood is a 5-liter Coyote V8 engine, but this one is far from stock. This monster car packs a Whipple supercharger and cranks out over 800 horsepower. Power is sent to the rear wheels, delivering instant throttle response, brutal acceleration, and an aggressive exhaust note that defines modern American muscle. Visually, the Dark Horse SC looks as dangerous as it performs. An aggressive front end, darkened badges, functional hood vents, wider stance, and track-focused aerodynamic elements give it an unmistakable presence. Every design detail serves a purpose. This car is built to perform, not to pose. Inside, the focus stays on the driver. Performance seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, a digital driver display, and advanced drive modes create a cockpit designed for control and confidence. On the track, the Dark Horse SC delivers precise handling, massive braking power, and relentless grip. Despite its extreme performance, it remains fully street legal. That means this is a car you can drive every day and still dominate on the track when it matters. The Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC is not for everyone. It is especially built for drivers who want raw power, modern muscle, and zero compromises. This isn't nostalgia. This is the future of American muscle. Would you choose the Mustang Dark Horse SC, or is this too much power? Join us at Automotive Beast for more incredible content. You won't want to miss what's coming next. See you in the next video.